Abashi, I'm a doje pack, Abashiana no Tula, I'm a don one that's idiot, take my fime. I'm a don neki, I'm a don naki. The war have to start from Onugaku, all the money I spent in Nigeria, all the months I spent on Yonuna Popota. I'm a Dorunu, I'm a Dogono, I'm a Biunu, another Iku, Mamato. I will never let you guys have peace. Every pain, my mom said, everything, Onugakomia, Onugakobomia, oh, I never peace, never moon. Kolanga me program on comment
Olilana ndimo.
Ina huya.
Olilana.
Ina huya.
Na mi baba Eziokwu. Eziokwu. You pay. You pay if you're there.
Okay.
Focus right.
Okay.
That I'm easy. Olilana is here. Life and direct. Nigeria. Nigerian police. Only the too much. DSS, now they too much. What are they too much? Let's go. Would they go? Gaga. Only if you go many people in the southeast. You pay dearly.
Somebody should have made go many people in the southeast. Did you hear when one Amusu from Igboland, Amusu, Chineke Oroko, na made go many people in the southeast? What did you say about that? Just get galo kwa mujirim jiyana kandugu. Kime perono big bam gene. Kede ke chokek bam na. In no madisa musu china me go many people in the southeast. In the emotional one in the IPOP ego. Did you hear when he said that? Oh, ntinu meshi. When this Amusu and Jepa planned and came to even they made this thing. Oh my God, unekula my hand, happen more. Make una just avoid me. Anything about avoid me. I know why I'm saying this. Avoid me. Happen to march on them natural. Avoid me. Oh.
Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's to tell you that they can do anything in Nigeria. When people now that Nigeria, anything is possible to happen. You see what I'm saying? I don't blame those that say they will not return back to East or return back to Nigeria. I don't blame majority of my Igbo brothers and sisters in here. They just watching with Nigeria Jim again. In Rumboku, yeah. Oh, let me block you. Instead of me to distract you, let me block you. Come on, Shinga for you some distraction. Bukwegi. Distraction. Buogi buonage. Oh yeah, fuck off. Shinga force. I will not distract you.
Olilana ndimo. Olilana. Na mi baba Eziokwu. You pay if you're there. Focus right. That I'm easy. Olilana is here. Life and direct. Nigeria. Nigerian police. Only the too much. DSS, now they too much. What are they too much? Let's go. Would they go now? Gaga. Only if you got many people in the southeast, you pay dearly. Dawa. Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America, let's go. Let's go. Confirm, captured alive. They go. They go. They don't fit Ryan. They don't burn that person for ya. They don't burn that for ya. Ndigbo. Go like this. Jeremiah. Where did they front?
And Saga Ziggy. Can you tag Saga Ziggy? Because I post well that one. Obromu that no one erase in that pop ego. Can you post that one? Please, can you post that one? I wonder how this manipulating idiot Amusu Geje Pota Nebre Mazin Nandiaka. I wonder. You are the same person that want them to use because nation and erase in Mazin Nandika go to jail me for life. Anything that has to do with Mazin Nandikala and capital. This is to show you how it okay, Madam Rest. You are so Chineke one nego kopo nagako. Chama block wagi. That arrogant buogi buon negi buon nage. Yashingafo. Anything that has to do with iPop, that person Gala na Nigeria. You know that very well. This Amusu, this manipulated demon, this thinking dry demon, Abiata Giamu, Beta Giamu, na Hagitemu, no one, na many people in the southeast. And you want to come and claim that you are mourning for who? Your money for who? Go for the only she has gone. Chineke boroko. Go for the only she purify the kage. Na me go ma chaka ni Chineke boroko. Oh, you're not gonna J Park. Una buo. You guys have to go and add on a petition. Oh. You guys have to go and add on a petition again. Join me on TikTok. Let me enter TikTok. I am block Runu today, because I told you I get distracted when I'm doing program. Him block Runu today, Him block Runu today, Richard, I'm no here. Bit wako to the chime. Him block. Maybe him comment about jogging and go. Wo yom nagi. Ima platform ke. When Diamusu tag me, no one erase it. I pop ego. Where were you all? No. Abranga be mo no man. In a mo man in that age in a man na can not set onto what to kwano. Oh, begin we them a lock or Ogechi me ship oga. Begin we get them lock womo Ogechi me ship oga. Oh God. Before Ogumunu nebie, unu ga kwugo mo ntu ni misiri na America. All my bills. Anybody that want to copy, anybody that say I got copies again, it's not even possible. Unu ga all my rent. Unu ga all the money that I spent, or we have no settlement. I got a bit of hungam pusher. I got a dodge park one. I'm a dodge park. I'm a dog of an ocean. I'm a dog, I'm a dog because all will be my arrest. Before any peace will take place, no, put all the money that I spent. The war just started. The war just started. Did you hear what I said? I'm a dog of an ocean. I'm a dog J Park. I'm a dog one again. That's idiot. Take my female. I'm a dog neki. I'm a dog naki. The war have to start from all the money I spent in Nigeria, all the months I spent on I'm a dorunu, I'm a dogono, I'm a biunu, another equal, my mother. I will never let you guys have peace. Every pain, my mom said, everything, unuga pomia, unuga kokobomia, oh, I never peace, never moon. 2026. Follow my page, Criminal Justice System. If you have not followed it, follow it. About 2026. Governor Yoshi Escon, pedophile nowhere. Emo, Jepa cannot book it, cannot book it everywhere. Get ready for me. That's your 1 year. Come on, the guy who gets ready. Who know these people? For you guys directing these hooligans, this idiot to have been a hotel, no, they may arrest. No peace. All the money, the trauma you guys put me through, everything you guys put me through, you guys will settle me or no settlement. I got no 1 year in this blew up. Nigeria, no one's here. I am again. I'm the part who get them. Did you hear again? The parts. I should never do chicken. I never dreamed of coming back to Nigeria again. Come on, Singapore. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Singapore, Nigeria can go back. Chila, we got man butter. I'm a no part to number. Come on, get the fuck out of here, son. Singapore, because Zagazigi post to Oromo Ban Hoshin or Woman. Get me about Hoshin or Moon and the rest in that pop ego and not Gumu. And I'm about life on TikTok. Join me on TikTok. Oh, hope you know who memorize. Una shut up. Una mouth. Damage is in them spending out na Nigeria. And my rents and other bills that I did not pay. Unu ga come here. Unu ga come here. Governor Yoshi. Escon. Pedophile no don't wear. Okay, what I want to make imo to la share. And the J pipe. Rebel face. Unu ga come on my damage. Unu ga come on my damage. Saga 2026 got too much. Follow my page, Criminal Justice System. So you will leave your investment bukwegi. Investment. Come on, Chinga first. Get out of here. Investment bukwegi. Man will less survive to eat. Mazin and the kind of investment to your corner. Investment bukwegi. And investment and every investment that investment according to the investments. They want poison on them and I made investments. Now investment blocking the job shinga for investment. It's not me that make that money. Now some investment bukwegi. Chenuma pa share. Zagazigi post well on that video. In a you gave Mazen and the kind of life in prison. Are you not the one that said make them jail me because no one is in the iPop ego? Are you not the one that said that you provide the video where I was raising money for Ndipop? Are you not the same bastard? Are you not the same person telling people that Ogechi and many people in the southeast and I be pretending to be who? Who are you guys pretending to become? Governor Yoshi, a bandit, a criminal. A bandit, a born criminal. That ain't you know, Yoshi. Errand boys. Incompetent men, errand boys. No, I will block all of them. I don't want that thing. Unless I get one, I'm a block walking. Equal, I will block. Don't even tell me anything. Equal, I will block you. Don't ever tell me that. Please. Chop me now. Zagazigi post the video game. Okay, done. Thank you. Chema butcher this one first.
Na me, Governor Eziokwu. Eziokwu. You pay into there. Focus, drive. Look at easy. Pilanya is here. Life and direct, Nigeria. Nigerian police. Only the too much. DSS, now they're too much.
You know, you praise the DSS that they are too much. This is the same hypocritical bastard. Amusu. Potarana bagi na the angry that Nigeria sentence sorry. Mazin Nandikano for life. I just don't understand our people. You are praising DSS for arresting me. Praising DSS that what they did was right. And you are here now pretending that life sentence in the man's in that Nandikano not bad. Hey. Excuse me. Who the fuck are you guys even fooling? Who the fuck are you guys fooling? The same DSS you are angry is the same DSS you was praising. Did they you because you are a very hopeless, jobless man? You are because already the occupied with your miserable, useless life.
That's too much.
Susuru, Bimana East, Bimana East. With the J Park out because other people don't even know that well. Who directed them? Who navigated them to come and capture me? If it's not you, the two demons, and you're telling me that you're angry or what? Eh? I just don't understand people. Now, oh yeah. Before, let me tell you, 2026 is the beginning of problem. Just to touch base, to tell people to get prepared. To get people to get prepared. Governor Onyoshi, Escon, Wamu, Akani, Ken. Petty, no, like you. Oh, so you think you're gonna shut my mouth? Oh, you Jibiawashi, Pome Pupanam, he get proof in Damburu Southeast. He get proof in Damburu Southeast. Governor Onyoshi criminal bandits. He get proof in Damburu Southeast. Let me tell all of you, for those of you that will start calling for peace, let me tell all of you, all from here July. January, February, March, April, May, June, almost half of the month. So, before peace will end between me and Dona. All the trauma I faced in Nigeria. My Mercedes accident in Gamnezi Shimu. The money that I spent over 100 and something million na Nigeria. Because of we don't brought him through. Because of he had these two demons who pronounced to yabati him through. Oh my God of Nazareth, who made me and Dona. This is the other something you know that our problem is starting 2026. Una po, ba hunu chukona idea. All the money. May spend in Nigeria. J-Pack, are you ready for me? Governor Onyoshi, are you ready for me? I hope you guys are prepared for me because I am of Onubogramin Gaje, J45, I am of them all. Onyoshi is your sister. Block you. At least block, man. I don't know why I can't block some people. Block all of them, that's idiot to block all of them. Block all of them that I know here. Lema get beji biame nwanne unu nwanyara because edi lu do show no bi apotam Because two jobless, hopeless men. That's the one who be from Nigeria. Look, one name one is she US butter. She US yo one a dinyo nyubu. Man not be hand on us. She be a boom. I was at the present when somebody called J Park. Shia, Emma could not warn you, Buya, Japak shock Karayan man on you Burumu. No Karayan man on you Burumu. Now, my question become, can be J Park no line? Can be that or an a buno to la pum pum potom pum pum? Can be that pum pum potom pum pum to run a shimmy? And I bop your day. What a spam joy for your rime. Kebono. Kem one of them we are put on pium. Now on social media. Oh, and what when you J Park about a war? And what when you J Park able to I hope I'm showing on ye. Bia pro J Park. Except one person. A man who destroy business on your name we buying. On your so many buying precisely. J Park destroy business here. Open the month many arrests. One day I work a bell before ya. Now, in my memory, J Park was calling other people. Even call Reverend Mbaka. That petition. You see why I said I owe that man an apology. You see why I said I owe Mbaka apology. You see why I said I will come out and apologize to Mbaka. Because I know I offended him. And I will apologize to him. Imana, this man refused to put petition against him. Do you know that J Park contacted Nwanne Kobeti petition nation? The woman has shared that she's not interested. Do you know that? Do you know that this idiot was contacting people to come and paint me in Nigeria? Are you guys aware of that? And somebody will tell me that J Park, you never education my father. Never education I'm beside. Now beside. I get bit of I got to play a video, okay? So we will start it. 2026 is our beginning of our problem. Una poor. Mbeshina mpam ederem di petition. Mbeshina nampamu na amu embassy children ma lock on inside. Did I write petition against you? Mgbe put a picture na mo did I write petition against you? Akwa wonu ma ke koga. Akwa ke kom ma koge. Akwa ke kom ma koge. Did I write petition to arrest you? Did I tell on you to come and carry you and put other petition on your head? Ikom ma koge. Why did you eririm June? These people went as far as I'm guru Nigeria. I'm guru somebody 500 and something million naira transfer to another account. And some people will just say, okay, let go. Am I saying the word to be the name? Am I talking about what I passed through in Nigeria? Am I talking about all the money that I make 6 figures every year? I 6 figures can make every year. I did not make shishi because of Nda. Because of Nda. And somebody will come outside to tell me what? What do you have to tell me now if I may ask you? Get a king and bamu. What would I forgive? I got my that I'm in Nigeria. My daughter made surgery. My first issue in accident made surgery. Naka. I just even want to know, where am I going to start to Bahala? I want to know where the Mbahara will start from. J Park, when you be to trouble, Mona. J Park, when you be Governor Yoshi, get a ceremony, and walk out here. Oh, yes, ceremony. No, but when I got here, go again and make a commercial and Bemnanga. When I got here, go up and again and make a commercial and Bemnanga. Oh, God. Una pomu ponu ine. everything that I spent in Nigeria. All the money that I spent in this country, eh? Now that fucking country, the same one go Njirizoge, Bemnangake Babra ad. The same one go him shigi hapu. The same man him shigi hapu Gabula one nigga one. Sorry, on one nigga okay. The same man him shigi don't destroy his business. He's your brother. Or the same man you later. Now I don't know commercial. Get it ceremony. What started problem monarchy? Get it ceremony that you try to destroy business and one making okay. Shaggy, why can't you reach out to him? Or come to share me here? Get it ceremony. The same one go out of Cambiara, father's burial. The same place Cambiara. You did not respect that. I came for someone, father's burial. Yeah, you came there to arrest me. The same one got nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. I'm not here to pick up anybody's call. Nobody should call me. You got into this ex-convict. This child molester, this child pedophile. And I'm going for the new she. Junior she. Can you say again Ogechi? Up to they destroy business wagon. Now la business wagon. I don't want to pick up anybody's call. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. With the same man, you should get happy. Your brother business to grow. Reach out to him. Reach out to him inside. Came at a problem. Ogula crime and committee, Governor Yoshino. Ogula my crime. That was it. Akwa the same man na ke babana ki mere ad ya na enye ego ga na eri. Akwa the same man kam biara memorial service mpaya gbe m no na southeast. Dabia memories. Ken kuno shem ko ken kuno shem happen. Ken kuno shem happen. I want everything to know. Which one do you want me to leave? Let me block you. Oh yeah, Shingafo. Because I don't want to respond to any comment and Oga get distracted. Oh yeah. Don or whatever, Williams. Oh yeah. Otila. Fuck off. Shingafo. Atro me. Which of it? Ga baba. As soon as I say my rice. The same thing she get destroyed. The same thing she got damaged. Kega ganna ego. This hungry idiots. Kega ganna ego because he jiri lanom. Oh, kwa she get me pila. Ke baba sirina gana emere adine na ego. Oh God. Come hone got resolve here without paying me all my damages. Come on, got some more girls without you guys paying me everything I spent. The time, the pain, everything. Or bills in America. Go can spend it in a court when she don't. Because of Guinea. Let me play his video. Big on.
Let's go.
Okay. Amwa. Nwanne kona malidi elu. Nwanne kona malidi elu. Okay. Nwanne kena malidi elu. Ikitana Messiah. Okay.
Dawa. Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America.
Okay.
Let's go. Confirm. Captured alive.
Okay.
They go. They don't fit Ryan. They don't burn that person for ya. They don't burn that for ya. Ndigbo. Go like this. Jeremiah. Where is the front? Okay, top fuel. Otaka Chinekedi. You don't do here. If they do anything, people they enter you to commit atrocities. You pay for it.
And you're gonna pay for it online. Udige nwewu that Ogechi na nwuru. Ige ekwu ihe mere gị. The atrocity would that happen one negi nwoke ala business ya. But the same one negi nwoke na ke babana n'ime. The same wagon. The same wagon ke babana n'ime. Gana ego na emere hard. Oh my God. My heart is very heavy. My heart is very, very heavy.
You pay for it. I use my life and challenge.
Okay.
You pay for it. Okay, she captured her life.
Okay.
Captured. Ndigbo.
Okay.
Ndigbo.
Okay.
Hello, hold on. I'll call you.
Wait. Can you hear Mazen and the canon on a defend according to what they said? Because I don't follow him. I don't I'm ready for them. The same Mazen and the canon Kugana. Next time said, Onyo cho itagemu. Onyo to itagemu. Na petition handed. The Bahana Mua. The resident die pop. Watch. In Anoya, Namu erase ego for die pop. Any name that you attach with die pop, your own is finished. He knew that as soon as you attach anybody's name concerning die pop, Yarumi Begi or who one sentence, a negi 50 years sentence. Now we go many people because some of that say Anna want the iPop and I have many people in the southeast. Diamusu attach me. Na me many people in the southeast. Everything. Eje destroy him man to kadisa musu tageremo. And somebody say Ogechi, let go of Ugeme. You got anything come me again. Joya na mmere again. Joya na eputranashe. Why would they send this DSS you are praising? The same DSS you praise ka. Oh, le kwayana chepa ka fonction. Le kwayana disamu su the two evil. Le kwayana this chepa ka fonction. Let's start from the beginning. According to Goshen, I have video evidence. According to Goshen, I have video evidence. Ebem the reason that pop ego. Kono no ya. Like you. So I'm your follow man. Working. Here we pay one go. This place is where pay one go. Taberamia memorial service. Now hotel Mugara memorial service. They did not respect one go. They did not respect the death. They did not respect anything. They came and arrested me. Just again, get a ceremony go. Get a ceremony. The same one go keep me gara ads. The same one go keep your shameful self. Get a minute at the end you get. The same one go time. Now, akuna hugo ya. Una ejilanya unu hu ya. Now, this escon governor Onyoshi, this pedophile. Onya na we go my aka n'ike. Mere o jiri ganga for 2 or 3 years na Nigeria. I convict here ya. You don't have convict, you're not just detaining like a very dark man. Detaining like Showro. Those ones are just reminding. Onya convict ya ganga to molest so much. Get a ceremony, this governor criminal. Anomo, yeah, bitona abawagu, never konya wagu, putremoto area, gonna make a show. Makagini, getting us on ya. Nya the koron or coaching ego. That was the only thing. I'm now. Oh, blue zone. Namashenye poor you bo. Yajiron for this the corner on no go ad. I never knew. My boy, I'm private to Oshia. Mwago is your brother. What you're supposed to do? We reach out to him. Or then mama to build the child business. Una total business and to destroy ya. Onye gwara nwanne udo kwa gwara ya okwu ọjọọ. Onye gwara mmadụ okwu a o gwara ya okwu ọjọọ. Ya pụta next time mashia. But eche ma gwala m gị this thing. Eche ma gwala m gị this thing. She happen this is if he continue all this thing. Nwago did not ask me to defend him. But I found that he was a guy. Like this summer best, I had to throw lamba na dodge. That's how it is. Business always, sometimes get a problem in the business. When you're not straightforward in the business. Sometimes which everybody name a business. That business won't born like straightforward. If source of income here, why are you trying to destroy this guy? That was the only thing I did to this guy. Yeah, many people in the southeast. That was what this Amusu tagged me. That was what this Amusu tagged me with J Parker. I had the she happened their various homes. Newi, Madu Memorial Service. No respect of Onye Mbiarak Oloya. Nothing whatsoever. Now, when no zinanga. This idiot to gagami titi nwago mewere nwago ad. The same person she happy ebula. Oh my God. Anyway, like I said, 2026 is where our problem will start. I'm just reminding you guys to get fucking prepared. Get fucking prepared. You want to go? Not only that, Yana Bam Nam China, Nigeria or America. You see why many people don't want to come back. You see why many people vow to come back to that Nigeria. This is the only country and Nigeria threatening their own citizens. This is the only country but Nigeria threatening again. This is the only country to tell you that whether me like I'm a lock, we will pinch you and we will bring you down. Gina madi begi Mario hate Nigeria na threatening again. Especially in them abroad. Especially people on abroad has become their source of threatening. Especially in them on abroad. Imaro na threatening wage. In Nigeria, they can take your life. Etc. Checking a restaurant mwana kerinri. Can walk around you can one poison can just for a fun. If it's not a fun in the area there. Bebashemu, Auntie Oge, I've been following you. I've benefited you on your platform. I will not allow anything bad to happen to you. I can manage you nam to today. I can mean one young Nigeria. I can mean one young Nigeria. Mercedes is problem. One accident. May brew my other car. The Mercedes is a problem. My brother, bro, the Mercedes got repair. Hey, chain, I'm not that Mercedes. They were able to want my driver. Now, boy, now, do you bem? Now to my drive back, I'm not. This is what these people want. They planned it. I won't buy a court. Hey, people gather Bamog Nime court. What dress is Hazomu? I won't be help and a woman seed. Don't be had him, get him in a court. How these people did not just because now man talking social media. All of them gathered together. All of them gathered together. The country, no wonder people you are even wasting your time to go to Nigeria. How would you threaten people? She have battle in Nigeria because you know that's country no ebe jama to ojo. Ebe jama to ojo. Civil matter turn not to criminal matter. Civil matter turn to criminal matter. A bomb Shamson dene ebunde pop. This governor no shin. Bomb nam sundene ebunde nam swipe pop de ebunde mado. Nam swipe pop ne ebunde mado. Now many people in the southeast and on Nigeria ebunde mado. And on Nigeria ebu southeast. Now we have in that pop ego. And now you have the temerity to come out to do what? Is it to tell people that any man is not the kind of life sentence? I don't understand. So is it not the same thing you're planning for them to give me life sentence? Is it not the same thing? Equal video so that I will be sentenced the same way as sentenced the man. I just don't understand. For you to even talk about such thing. For you to even think about such thing, to touch my name. Namu so. Namu many people. Namu erase that popego. And the people let it slide. Oh, you have to remember, if it's not God intervention in my head. If it's not God intervention in my head, did you know what these people put on my head? Did you know what these people put on my head? Let me block this idiot. Come on, fuck off here. Fuck this bitch out of here. Comment again. That court case gave one there. Ex-convicts. Oh yeah, Jaman Nga who represent him on that court date. They represent to turn the Gababu Unu dia. What plan Unu? Errand boys. Useless, some of Igbo men. Ne kuya di Ogechi Okeke Njaka. They put that shit. He captured the life. He captured Igbo negi alive. He captured your useless negi naga alive. Planned all manner of evil. Plan all sorts of evil. The same one gonna come. Are you imukwadiri here? Imukwadiri here. The same thing is just from them in my eyes. The same thing is through shia kuneti wo. Or you in my eyes. Because he were poor, wretched, hungry bastard. The same one gun. He nara. Add not no me add. I begin to wonder, is sure about it, they become man. I don't know the shit, I'm not sure shimo. The only thing I got my money I spent. Oh, my okay, my baby. My honey, I'm them to forgive, when them are to forgive. Everything will go down. Everything will go down. All the money I spent, my money, for how many months? All the months that I didn't work in this country. Mudan unu without it. Ma wani je pack yo. Mama je pack yo. Mampa je pack yo. Mama governor do show. Mampa yo. Everybody. If you guys did not settle all my pains in Karatu, there will be no peace. There will be no resolution. Unu got result. Nah, unu be free. Unu got how to fix it. Onyo wule ngudo. Onyo wule ngudo. Some mama, people start again. Arriba, abola munu. Ba unu te prepare amonu. Prepare pala no monu to a king. Oh, nobody go rest. But to keep my hair, I want to get free. Nobody. But man passe. Deprive from seeing ma for how many months? My best. Na Nigeria. Abraham Nigeria. I'm not on the second, I think on the second, on the third, or the fourth, who may my rest. I may home enjoy a day. I may home anything a day. Bahunu juri, humiliate yamu. Bahunu juri me everything. All my peace and rain. Or nobody go sleep. I want to get some okay. Okay, Uru pare. Okay, Uru pare. Can play a video I made the other day, then I reposted it today. After me watching a video, it reminded me what these people want to do to me. I had to go and copy that video. It reminded me what I passed through. It reminded me how far our people can go to wicked their own. It reminded me. Let me play the video. Came here. It reminded me. Let me tell you how this video started. I'm doing program, right? I was conducting a program. Then I start remembering. This is what you call tears of joy. Because I start remembering what I passed through. Like this. Okay, Sule Jam guy or came to poison, or catch a woman seed, or car with an egg without my driver, my driver. I begin to count my blessings one after another. On a mock and a mother. They hammer news to hear John with two criminals. Now capture 3 criminals. Give petition. Just to make it to hold Ogechi na Nigeria for the rest of our life. They even came out online and said that Ogechi cannot leave Nigeria for 5 to 10 years to come. To tell you what they have already projected. So, when people say, I start to wonder. Ekoromono, makoge. Jepa ekoromono, makoya. Governor Yoshi from Ashawo. Nampamo na aramu. He said in my partner, the videos are here. I will keep playing. Because Zagazigi, keep those videos intact. 2026, Gary 2 horse. You call a mama koge. Imagine ke nkoroge jiri more deeper. Get a shemu. The same person got a memorial service in Naya. Wonye, Mbaburunga. But I remind them Nasuleja with the same person. Ebarazo, Gamma contract, Noria contract. I just don't want my anger to escalate. I just want it to be directed in one angle. Unuge settle mo. Unuge settle. Unu get settle without it. We quite peace nowhere. Unu get settle. Everything that I have lost, all of you will settle me. Next time, that wickedness does not pay. JPAC, how many people came by on social media? How many people wrote petition against you? How many people wrote petition? How many people na Omaha? And when you should not get Chabelabaji police in Buria? How many people na Omaha na social media? And when you should not get you a delay petition? Man, feel like a man, be feel your man again, you know. And when I get to my daily petition, Nishi and Ambra be may arrest. Nobody. 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 I'm the most bullied person on social media. And a bully, a bully, a bully them, a bully nam, a bully himself, my unborn children. And one I am for the police. And one I am to somebody, Jamanam Jet of Alamonia, or what I go, come on, I'll put 5 million. She get to Manamonia, Bodamonia. And one I am many. Have I done it to anybody? So, came and did this demonic. Came and where this dubious and malicious heart to come and destroy me. And when you're not come on, some people get back comments about block again. Because someone on social media, if you can't take the pen, you got poor. Somebody can raise up today. I will call a group page here. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing because on social media cannot. Only if you know that he is jealous of this person, he hates you, maybe this person they may hear he get many. Some people they broom 24/7. Now come. And what the police or there a petition in Nigeria. Or even target a person. The reason why I arrested Khan because they went and arrested Wangam. They went and arrested Wangam before I arrested Khan. Or just Megwara. Did you see me? It's when they arrested Wangam, Njituma Khan. They arrested the maker and wanted to intervene. Or where I'm arrest if I want to intervene, get no get you in your job. Now, I'm in arrest. I'm sorry, him intervene, get no get you in your job. It's not being done that way. You cannot beat a child and expect that child not to cry again. How many Ndenti JPAC destroyed? How many people name any here JPAC and Atria? Every day JPAC have to evangelize Bukobi no. Every day have to no. And when you also JPAC and I know we destroy mad na blue up. And when about just grow page ya, come Gilotazie, Yashi, what can you be on? We will see. Let's get ready for 2026. I got to call Webube. Unu get Jay and Oja Interpol to come and carry me again back here. Don't worry, I'm one you went for free. Because I want to get a demon. Get people on thing. And when any of you could have known my whereabouts, I'm not Chamala. All because of my stubbornness. Man, I knew him with MG video. Una notice here, I'm no Ebewago. Una believe for that. The same way I go, even who respect a bono, a regard the Hoya, a Bohmian mother. Na mad only a visitor from America. Gabriel, when I arrange the that will be no Onya Shipala, Onya Gapalani Bungo Karanya. Onya Gapalani Bungo Karanya. Because you're the who get with it. I'm not Choromo. Nobody should tell me that when you beat me that I will not cry. Or that possible. No one, you know, I won't call me here. I won't shim me shano. I want to shime belapa. I want to marry. I want to soromo. Una ne tipa. No ne bula. Yeah. Every day, I got draw evangelist Bukobi na doya. And one way baby will give cheer. How did you grow your page? Umadole ke about war. Mamba Kegi, because actually gonna bonu gra bonu who's yonu mechi onu bonu gazi bonu who's yonu mechi onu ya uruziemu una plan ya bomu sham sondere zigra pop ego bomu shame gbula many people na south east unu ga-ewepụta ha unu ga-ewepụta ha unu ga-ewepụta ndị mkpụrụ na south east unu ga-ewepụta ha you guys will provide ndị mkpụrụ na south east unu ewepụta oh god amam uche unu jakpago na unu lo ko mo mputa be me show no ja atwa m Obiare mama today I am not happy at all. You can see my mood. I am happy, but I just have to throw this thing out here. Share. On a Cuba Saramas, is it not the same as your target? Mukanyam life sentence. Is it not their plan? Is it not what they planned? Is it not their plan? Anom manga. No, not the shimnime. Gaga the same place, the same business she get destroyed. No one help many in Ndigbo. The same man she get happy again bulaya. That was the only thing he said when go. And we buy anything he said when go. The same man she get destroy la one making work can make a business. Oh, the same man after arresting me, after coming to his house, no bear arresting me. You still went that business on your that business on your I know why I'm holding back many times. I know why I'm because I know why I'm trying to hold back many fucking times. I know why I'm holding back. The same business it already destroyed, must get destroyed. Came back to go and do commercial on that business. Oh! The same place in Shigi, it destroy like him when the key came up and China order like business. The Facebook, I'm gonna happen. I'm not TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, create TikTok. I'm gonna happen. I'm gonna manufacture. I'm on TikTok. That's my TikTok account. Queen the line. I pin here there. That's my TikTok account. Queen get the DLINE get the 2. Queen the line. Queen the line. I am very, very angry. Angry. Very angry. Very angry. The man who be a brumo. Can you crack na business? As somebody will tell me to endure what? Endure what, if I may ask? The same person who should nebula. You say came to his stomach and arrested me. Arrested me. Ona Pia because I didn't know she. Now you run behind to go and collect art. You don't know how to eat. You don't know how to eat. The same person who give you a problem. Oronya na this blue app. Oronya said I'm gonna get this blue app. Oronya not to see what happened. My mind is heavy because when I will lift my anchor, when I will lift my anchor, when I will fucking lift my anchor. Oh no, basa yo. Guys, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok, please. That's my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, please. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, please. I'll actually better come TikTok. I'm going to TikTok. I just want you guys to transfer to TikTok before I start. Obi, I remember my show. Many things was running through my brain today. Telling you the truth. I'm so fucking angry. What you give me that will counter what I went through in Nigeria. To encounter what I went through in Nigeria. If it's not Governor Onyoshi and J Pipe, nobody. I'm gonna nigga belly that place. There may anything. These two demons. If me are not be a break who this blew up, eh? You're not break who this blew up, and what on against weekend. Beyond on TikTok. Sorry, I didn't even know that you guys are requesting. Sorry. There were no.
Ogechi Njaka Okeke mere ebe ahụ.
Cheap parts. Hey.
You won't make them not know what's in your mind. If I can need to, fight in silence, then you come out with action.
No, I don't care about you. As it is now, I don't give a fuck. I have to be honest with you.
No, I understand.
As it is now, I don't give a fuck.
I understand.
I don't give a fuck. I have to be honest with you.
Nobody likes it.
Give a fuck.
Good evening.
Yes, I understand. To be honest with you, I understand, but you try to do anyway, but there are some battles that you need to fight them in silence.
Battle I'm not fighting. I will open here. And when you get you can blue up. And when you get you can blue up. My black apple, my blue apple. Every boy will pour him.
Don't worry about actually, when you go, Mark, I got every anger in Aga. It was the betrayal, the too much, but Butu. I mean, for having no be Butu.
I see me, I'm John Joya, she knows what I'm saying.
But the
point is, this is not only in my you try to get a question me. You take the people to the realm where they will not have power over you. You understand? I know what I'm saying. She's not everything. Yeah.
Ogechi.
Chief. Amamo. I don't know.
Chief, thank you so much because me is by shock. Everyone is here.
Amamo Mbaru. Nah. Apple Marco Biconi. Apple Marco because Obiare Mumau. I have to be honest with you. I'm not happy at all.
I can't down, but I can't down.
There were no one named. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee.
Is what the chimpanzee.
One name, Okeke mirror. Why and then I advise. I can hide that go. Is Italian? About 1 year, but I born. So, a man can and one night, Balu. Walk to swat again.
Nudge over that TikTok, I guess that's really matter.
We don't care. Manahan Chane will take Hannah TikTok. Do we look like we give an F?
Okay,
we don't have to be
my sister, you can put to show how when I continue here. Happened that had us somewhere.
But the time people are here humiliating, okay. What are you even talking about? You don't do humiliation. I can. What can they protect him?
The Facebook, the one on TikTok. I can ban your Facebook very soon.
Okay. What I will tell you is, say it all out. How you feeling there? Bring it all out. Say it all out. I feel your pain. I know what you're going through. Speak it out. Don't hold back. Because it's not good to hold back.
Yeah.
It's draining. It's draining. So that it doesn't affect you. It doesn't affect your family. It doesn't affect your friends. Say what you have to say. As when you put there, what you go heal, what you tell back in the way. Oh, go put there. Don't hold back. I saw your video the other day. You were crying. I cry too with you because I understand what you're going through. I'm not going to tell you to stop. I'm not going to tell you to go on. But to tell you, for you to gain your peace of mind, for you to rest, say it out. Say it out. Don't hold it back. Because when we keep when we keep making a lot of things, bring it out. Oh, my dear. It's well. It's well. All right. Thank you so much. You. All right. Good night.
Good night, my dear.
I agree with you. We all heal differently. Like me personally, I don't heal with keeping quiet. I say it out and then I get myself. As she said to you, Sister Oge, do whatever you know you will do to clear all this from your mind. And because what these people put you through is mental. A lot of people don't know nothing. They just nothing. They don't know nothing. So whatever you're going to do to find yourself, to heal yourself, do it. Like me, I don't heal by keeping quiet. So, but everyone is different, as she said. Whatever you're going to do that will make you feel okay, do it. That is it.
Okay. Firstly, whatever be the case, my sister, I sympathize with you. But let me say something here now. I'm not here to make anybody to like me or hate me. We have 187 people now watching the live stream. These 187 people have their problem, have their issues, their problems. Like the other lady said, it's okay to say something now, but me, I don't believe in public validation without solution.
Yes, so
I don't believe to say things to attract pity, to attract clapping. At the end, no solution.
Exactly what I feel.
I hear my point now. This lady now, to be honest with you, I don't even know what transfer. I don't even know what she's saying, but I don't care to hear. Advice I want to give her now, she have a friend, she have family, she have someone she can confide in, that she can talk with to get advice from.
God bless you.
I hear my point. Telling somebody to speak up or talk.
My brother, you don't know what is happening. So go to the comment section.
My brother, if he happy, I go for money for him. If he happy, I'm
I know you don't know. Do you think we are talking about?
if he happy, I'm happen, I go.
That's my point.
What are you saying? You are saying what you don't know.
Let me finish here now. And I better hear my fight. I'm not here to fight. Now, whatever happens,
what are you saying, man? What are you saying?
Whatever that happened, in as much as she's still alive,
You don't
other people have experienced it.
You don't know nothing, and you say
Let's assume now you know her too well. Do you know that the best thing that you can do for her is to inbox her, have a private conversation with one-on-one, and give her your own advice?
We don't know. You know that? Say that because you don't know this case. So just don't worry, my brother. Thank you for your advice, but it's not what you think.
My brother, I want to hear them.
We are here to continue.
Yes, so go to the comment section.
My brother, I want to hear them. Don't you know family issue? My brother,
You don't understand what me I'm saying.
My brother, you know family issue. Man, all social media war.
I'm not.
My sister, even you, in case you don't know, I don't know if you maybe you have been watching only social media ones. So you to go to comment section and ask questions. You guys should just not come here and ask questions that don't make sense.
You don't need to sound that way. No, but listen.
No, because for a woman like Ogechi to come out and be talking like this, and you think your advice telling her to keep quiet and don't say what do you mean by that?
Nobody told her to keep quiet, my sister.
Let me just say something.
Oh God, Dana TikTok. Make una come TikTok. Eba ja do do. TikTok ja do. Oh God, Dana be.
This one that everybody is talking, you're just hammering everybody. No, relax. No, my sister.
Behind the TikTok.
Listen, he just explained something that he don't know what is happening.
Beyond the TikTok, I'm abandoning you very soon.
See. You don't get the point. You know one of the problems most of you have. Most of you listen to attack without getting a point. Do you listen to what I said? I said I don't know what I said that.
Beyond the TikTok.
Go to your family.
Beyond the TikTok.
That is small here. Okay, continue. Okay, continue.
Don't go to the family. This matter is 8 years or 9 years matter. Where do you want us to start explaining?
Let me tell you something. I'm not like fight. People me are
Oh God, Dana.
what I'm saying is this. Listen, let me explain to you.
It has been long. I laughed like.
Hey, Chineke.
Calm down.
Everybody tell you, calm down. This is the calm down that mess everything up today. Everybody take that measure. Everyone just fight low at that.
You are making this. You are sounding.
Open TikTok, oh, now. Pay back, oh,
Stop shouting. It's okay. I beg. Allow him to earn his view. He has his own right to talk.
Exactly.
You
Everybody.
understand?
I am not if he happen ya. If he happen ya. If he happen.
This is not family matter.
See my skin, beautiful. Then I'm beautiful. Beautiful. Then I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. I'm skin. Beautiful. I'm jealous.
Fight low. You should mother by her. Fight low. Don't say.
Who is to go deep small from my sister because now she's smiling.
Akoko, smile again. Yeah, I bring 2026. The men walk a bido. Or go a bido. But they are not correct. My brother, this is not a family issue. My brother, this is not a family issue. He don't even know what is happening. He thought it's a family issue. This is a fake.
Everybody's problem is husband or wife.
Nah, mamo.
Please go and study your marriage and get from this place. Marriage is not everything.
My brother don't even know what is happening. My brother is not a marriage issue.
Husband, everybody they find wife.
My brother is not. My brother is not a marriage issue.
Am I Regina Daniel's mother? When you concern Regina Daniel, do I look like the person when they give advice for marriage?
That's what I know.
You about reality. You don't know what this lady went through. Don't come here, they talk of marriage. Who give an F about marriage?
That's what I say. He thought it's a family issue. Because I had where he was directing his own conclusion to. He did not know what is going on. So he thought people are telling me not to say about my...
So we take that Regina Daniel. What is concerning Regina Daniel? It's not like
You know, this person that is talking now, if you guilty, right? Please, you need to take it easy. You are not helping matters. This man is not talking well. We all knew, fine. But the way you are standing, you are making it look as if you are fighting everybody.
No, my sister, do you know why I'm angry now? All this, some people think everybody's problem is marriage. What is marriage in Daniel?
I even know the way Ogechi is going about it. You see, there's somebody that you just let him talk his own and go.
Let him talk. I am just happy. Because I know he...
That is how you guys told Regina Daniel. Do I look, what it concern Regina Daniel?
We are not here for Regina Daniel. Let us leave that matter.
But he didn't... He didn't understand. He didn't understand what is going on.
He even know what.
Yeah.
People think everybody's problem is marriage.
Exactly. But you just have to take it.
If you worry on why you take this matter, just calm down.
Oh God, no mother.
Your family member, family problem.
Exactly. That's why I knew that he doesn't understand what was going on. When he said I should take you to my family, that's when I knew that he's kind of confused. He don't understand what is happening. They don't finish a man away. Oh, na wahala too much. Oh,
marriage saver. The only man that will save marriage is social media. Come on.
We thought that on
the Facebook, bye bye.